Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to easily track your rewards using Tesco Clubcard app. Let's get started. First, download the Tesco Clubcard app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Open the app and sign into your account, or create one if you're new to Clubcard. Once you're logged in, you will land on the dashboard where you can see your current points balance right at the top. This updates automatically every time you shop at the Tesco and scan your clubcard, either in a store or online. To view your points history, tap on the Points or Activity tab. Here you will find a breakdown of every transaction you earned a point, including the date, store, and points added. It's super handy for spotting missing points early. Want to see how close you are to next reward? The app shows you your progress toward vouchers and even suggests how many points you need to reach your next milestone. You can also browse reward partners directly in the app. Just tap the reward section to see where you can use your points for discounts on day outs, meals, or shopping elsewhere. If you ever notice any discrepancy using the missing points, feature to report issues quickly. Tesco usually resolves these within a few days. And that's it. You're now a pro at tracking your rewards with the Tesco Club Print app. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments how you use your Club Board points. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.